Hey guys, I want to give you an updated review after 1 week of usage, the Slingshot rubber band from OrangeTag. What the biggest issue is the quality. The pouch quality is really bad. As you can see on the screen, it's expanded, it's become stretched very thin, and also I see the chips on the edge of the band. I'm going to show you this is a brand new band. You can compare the pouch side by side. The brand new pouch is pretty wide. And after 1 week of usage, it only shot about 100 shots. Becomes thinner, it's stretched. The other thing is the thickness of the band. The Slingshot band is supposed to be 0.75 millimeter. I'm first only got 0.47 millimeter. It's about a half size thinner. And then I'm measuring the wider side. I can even slide the rubber band from the caliper. I only got 0.51 millimeter, which is still much less than 0.75 millimeter. Again, the bad pouch quality, even though you get 16 pieces of rubber band from the OrangeTag vendor, honest with you, I'm not gonna recommend it you buy this product. It just simply wastes your money. It's not worth it, even though you get quite a bunch. The quality is the key. Thank you.